Hey everyone, good to see you. I'm Richie, the Six String Fun. We're going to take a look at a fun one today. Crazy little thing called Love by Queen. I guess it was kind of their tribute to Elvis, maybe. Maybe I'm wrong, but kind of had that vibe to it anyway. But fairly straightforward, but we've got a bar chord in there we're going to have to play around with. So we're going to just do like an acoustic campfire type of version. I know there's a guitar solo, but we're not going to get into that. We're going to kind of just play the rhythm pieces to this and have some fun with it. So if you haven't done so, please like, subscribe to the channel. It's greatly appreciated. Hit the bell for notifications when new videos come out. Believe it or not, just by watching and giving a thumbs up, you know, if you truly do like the videos, really does go a long way because it'll kind of just get that video out to other people like us who enjoy this type of stuff. Guitar lessons, music in general. So if you don't mind, it is really appreciated. And we'll get right into this one, okay? Crazy little thing called Love by Queen. Okay, so if you didn't figure it out already, it's coming in on a D chord. And it's going from a D to a suspended 4. And all we're doing here, so the chord is going to be open 2, 3, 2. And then we're going to add our pinky to the first string on the 3rd fret. And the strumming pattern is going to be throw the chords in now. That's a strumming pattern. All we're adding is our pinky like to one little section of that D progression, basically. Pinky, 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 right? So maybe that helps you out as far as helping with the timing. Going to the verse. Verse is going to be 3 chords. D to a G, and to a C. Here's the best way I can tell you how to kind of think about this, because the timing is everything on this, and if you kind of miss the timing, you're going to miss getting into the chorus at the right point, okay? So, think of it this way. D for 2. Okay, so 1, 2, G for 3, and then C and G will be the 4. D, G, C, G. Now let's take that rhythm pattern we did and put these chords to it. So again, the D is strictly just no suspended pinky added in there, okay? So 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 4, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 4. All right, that's your chorus. All right, the pre-chorus is going to be, we're going to go back to the D. Your pre-chorus is basically your D. Or even if you don't call it a pre-chorus, maybe it's not. So if we do it all together. Get ready. So go back to the D, and we're going to B flat. C, I can play the C this way. I can go B flat, slide into the bar chord C, to the D here. You've got options, okay? So, right? And it all is going to repeat, second verse basically. So, I believe it goes around twice. Back to the D before we get into the chord. And then boom, 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 boom. There goes my... So I guess it's the bridge. There goes my... G, C, C, C. Okay. So all together. So there goes my... Okay. So just listen to it, because again, we're getting into some timing parts now of the song where it's going to get a little tricky. So you've got to listen to it. They're not difficult parts to play. However, timing is killer on this. So we got to make sure we got that timing. So that bridge is just your G to the. All right. Okay. To a B flat. And then kind of an odd combo of chords, but doable. E, A, F. Okay, so again. Okay, and we get to the. So what we're doing here is fifth string, 5, 4, 3. Go to the E string, 5, 4, 3. Now you can kind of just play. You can go octaves. Depends if you're doing the solo acoustic or you're playing with another guitar player. You want to round it out. It's up to you. I kind of like the way we've been strumming, and then just kind of go. Again, dynamics, all part of, if you're playing live. So there's no right or wrong way, though. So if you want to do octaves, it'll be 5, skip a string, 7. And then slide 1 fret each time. All right, so you can do. And that next part of it here is basically just going to be what we're doing is we got the, and it's going to go into the, I guess it's kind of just like a breakdown. And that run is A, G, F sharp, E. So the only thing you're going to hit twice is the A. G. So the way I'm doing it is open 5th string, 3 on the 6, 2 on the 6, open on the 6. But that first hit, that A, gets 2 notes. Or if you want to do one string, 5, 3, 2, open. Right, so it'll be. So you got those 2 riffs. There's an E chord in between the 2. And that's where the timing is key. So listen to the song. It'll be. So just listen to it. It's once you kind of get the hang of it, you won't even have to think about it. But some odd changes, kind of moving places you're not too maybe familiar with, but it's doable. So if we're going from that bridge again. E chord, and that's your tune. And then it'll go into the solo, I think, at that point. We're not going to go over the solo, but the chords, I think, are B flat to the D, back to the B flat, and then we do it on E, A, F. All right, so, and then I think it goes back to the top, but just the vocals, and that's kind of where it's like the, Ready, Freddie, all that's in there. And then we should kind of continue with the stuff we've already learned at this point, I guess. So it's a fun one. I think everyone knows it. It's a good one to play kind of at the bar, at the restaurant, if you're doing especially an acoustic duo type of thing or solo, even with the full band. Most people tend to know it. So hopefully this helped you out. Enjoy it. We'll see you soon. Bye.